Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners. How are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word ekwentị. Ekwentị. Ekwentị n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara phone. Ekwentị, phone. Ekwentị, phone. Ngwa ka anyị jiri ekwentị wee mee ahịrịokwu. Biko nye m ekwentị m dị n'akụkụ gị. Biko nye m ekwentị m dị n'akụkụ gị. Which means, please give me my phone beside you. Biko nye m ekwentị m dị n'akụkụ gị. Please give me my cell phone that is beside you. Now it's your turn to make your own example with the word ekwentị. Ekwentị. Now use it to make example. Cell phone. Use it to make example in the comment section. I know you've learned something new and vital today. Don't forget to please practice and practice and practice. That is the best way you sustain the knowledge you've learned and get better. And also like, subscribe, and share our video. See you tomorrow. Okay,